Energy performance contracting, called EPC, can provide significant energy savings by using the principle of repaying the energy efficiency investments directly from the saved energy costs. This powerful business model has helped a vast number of facility owners around Europe to reduce energy costs and at the same time improve building standards and indoor quality. The basic principle is that an energy service company provides all services required to design and implement a comprehensive energy-saving project. They also guarantee the achievement of a contract level of savings. Sounds good? Well, we can make it even better by increasing the transparency on the EPC market. Have you heard of the EPC Code of Conduct? No? Well, then you'd better listen now. The EPC Code of Conduct defines the basic values and principles that are fundamental for successful implementation of EPC projects in Europe. The Code of Conduct will serve as a harmonized European quality standard of EPC projects by raising potential clients' confidence in the business model. The EPC Code of Conduct represents general rules and guidelines for EPC market players, increasing quality levels for EPC projects. This will lead to a higher demand for EPC projects.
Energy performance contracting has some struggle with some trust issues, and if you are in a business relationship with a business partner, with a company that buys from you these services, you have to be reliant.
EPC provider usually knows very well the code of conduct. For clients, it's something new. Generally, we can say that this informs a wide public about the type of business on energy savings. Everyone speaks about energy savings, but how to make business on energy savings? This code of conduct says it's good, fair business, and the way of business is this way.
First principle of the code of conduct is economic efficiency. The energy service provider has to make sure that the projects are economically efficient, which is of course in the benefit of the client. Then secondly, the energy service company is taking over some risks which would be normally held by the client in a typical energy efficiency project. Which is, for example, the performance risk, the maintenance of the equipment, and so on. Thirdly, what is very important is the energy service company guarantees energy savings of the project.
So energy performance contracts are difficult to understand from scratch because it's about energy savings, which is not a simple matter. Because it's about guaranteed energy savings. And if there is a guarantee, you need, as a consumer, to be ensured that there is a guarantee which works. So it's not as simple as it seems, and the code says with simple words how it has to be. And in fact, it's very simple, the code.
We have success stories, for example, in Netherlands. There were 30 signatories signing at the same day at the conference. It's a great success. We have now 11 associations of energy providers in the European countries signing the code, but not just the signing code, but also gradually taking over responsibilities for administering the code.
Read more about the Code of Conduct and how to get involved at www.transparence.eu.